On top economic diversification, Buhari wants city to make mining mega. Delegation of the steering committee, led by the Minister of State for Mines and Steel Development, go State House to give update for the implementation of the Presidential Artisanal Gold Mining Development Initiative, PAGMI. Dem design PAGMI as broader strategy to take address the structural and institutional factor wey go push artisanal gold mine operations for Nigeria deeper into the formal economy, wey include rural poverty, lack of alternative livelihood, and others. Records show say between 2012 and 2018, 97 tons of gold wey be $3 billion na im dem illegally carry comot from Naija. Illegal artisanal mining don fuel instability and mercury wey lead to poison incidents for gold mining communities.
Today, PAGMI has improved the working condition of artisanal miners, thereby reducing the number of in-pit deaths seen annually. We are now moving to ramp up PAGMI across the country in addition to curtailing all artisanal and small-scale gold mining export outside PAGMI.
A couple of months ago, we paid a cooperative over 20 million naira for gold produced under PAGMI. They've never ever earned that type of money. For security purposes, we have linked each miner with their BVN and NIN number, so they're identifiable. We know everyone that is working with us, and they all know each other, so that we don't have people crossing the border to come and join a program that is for Nigerians and is security sensitive.
Buhari congratulates the committee for the better work wey dem do. Come talk say him get faith say the new mining framework go lead to effective and transparent gold supply chain and demonstrate efforts to take fight money laundering, terrorist financing, human rights abuse, and respect for environment.
I support the steering committee's target of aggregating 3 to 5 tons of gold over the next 12 months, as this will deliver tremendous fiscal and economic benefits to the nation. Now that we have successfully delivered a pilot scheme in Kebbi State, it is time to roll out and expand sustainably across other states. The government is committed to providing all the necessary support required. This initiative is of great pride to me because through our intervention, we can reach hard-working Nigerians in the field, toiling in the quarries under the sun, trying to earn an honest living. We have been able to protect them from clutches of those who exploit their hard labor while simultaneously bringing them into the value chain to earn improved income from their hard work.
From State House, Osarugwe Monday for TMC News.